Hello and welcome to this introduction to Nginx. In this video, we will cover the basic of Nginx and its benefit. We'll also discuss how to install and configure Nginx on your server and look at some common use case for Nginx. So, what is Nginx? Nginx is a web server that's known for its speed, reliability, and scalability. It's open source software that can be used as a reverse proxy, load balancer, and HTTP cache. Nginx is widely used by web developer and system administrator around the world, and it's a key component of many web applications. There are several benefits to using Nginx as your web server. First and foremost, Nginx is incredibly fast. It's designed to handle a large number of concurrent connections and requests, and it can handle high-traffic websites with ease. Nginx is also very reliable, with a proven track record of handle millions of requests per day without issue. Another benefit of Nginx is scalability. Nginx can be easily scaled horizontally by adding more servers, and it can handle also by using distributed traffic among multiple servers using load balancing. Additionally, Nginx is highly configurable and customized to suit your specific needs. Now that we covered the benefit of Nginx, let's take a look to how to install it. Installing Nginx is a relatively straightforward on most Linux distributions. You can use Package Manager to install the Nginx package. In first section, we update the OS, then install the Nginx by apt package manager. In second section, we start Nginx service because after next reboot, OS Nginx start automatically, then show the status of service. Once you have the Nginx installed, you'll need to configure it to work with your website or application. Nginx configuration files are located in etc/nginx directory, and the main configuration file is nginx.conf. In first section, we define worker conf to work together. In second section, define the backend URL, and in third section, we create a listener and the custom port and custom URL. It's built using Nginx to build a simple web server that's compatible with any programming language. For more information, you can visit Nginx website, link of them in description. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video or are interested in programming topic, be sure to subscribe our channel and turn on notification to receive new videos.